Unraveling Idioms. Blow your own pipes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that might have puzzled you. Blow your own pipes. This idiom isn't one of the most common, and it might not be found in every dictionary or learning material. But understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. At first glance, blow your own pipes might conjure images of playing a musical instrument. However, in the context of idiomatic English, it has a metaphorical meaning. This phrase isn't widely recognized or used in contemporary English, and it appears there might be some confusion or a mix-up with more common idioms like blow your own trumpet or toot your own horn, which mean to boast or praise oneself. If we were to take blow your own pipes at face value, without considering it might be a confusion or a lesser-known regional saying, it could be interpreted as doing something for oneself or showcasing one's own talents without relying on others. It's important, though, to approach this phrase with the understanding that it might not be universally understood or recognized as a standard idiom. Context is key when it comes to idioms, especially less common or potentially regional ones. If blow your own pipes is used in a conversation or text, its meaning might depend heavily on the context in which it's said. It could be interpreted as self-reliance, self-promotion, or even self-entertainment. However, due to its obscurity, it's crucial to ensure that your audience understands the phrase or to provide enough context to make its meaning clear. Given its ambiguity and rarity, if you choose to use blow your own pipes in speech or writing, it might be best to follow it with an explanation or rephrase it using more commonly understood idioms like blow your own trumpet. However, if you're in a creative setting or among friends who enjoy quirky or less common expressions, throwing in a blow your own pipes could add a unique flavor to your conversation. Remember, the beauty of language learning is not just in knowing the most popular phrases but in exploring the depths and breadths of how expressions can vary. Thank you for joining us to explore the curious phrase, blow your own pipes. While it might not be a staple in everyday English conversations, understanding and discussing such idioms enriches our knowledge and appreciation of the language. Keep curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to blow your own pipes, whatever that may mean to you. See you in the next video.